Welcome back. In our first video I showed you how to remove the rear sway bar, sometimes other known as the stabilizer bar, with a 1999 Toyota Camry Solara. Now I'm going to show you how to reinstall the new one. So first things we did, we took the sway bar links off here. See that right there? Mounting brackets were removed. Put new bushings in. And I'm going to take you over to this side. I started it ahead of time. So you can see there's a bolt there. And a bolt right there. And again, sway bar link right here. So this one is started. So what we're going to do, come back over to this side. And here's your bracket. This hook here is going to go in right up in that hole there. It's going to go over this sway bar bushing. It fits in like that. And then that's going to fit in like that. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down. I'll get some bolts in there. Let's put a little anti-seize on the threads right here, so they're easy to go in. Okay, you can see how that's started now. And now you take your ratchet. Your 12mm socket. You want to go to the other side. And again, you want to check your service manual to see what the torque specs are. This side is tight. That's moving really well. Okay. We're going to scooch over to this side. Again, we're going to do the same thing. Tighten both up. Okay. Make sure that's in the hook. It is. Again, this is moving freely, and that's what we want. Now you're going to attach the sway bar link. You just got to make sure that's lined up. There you go. And look at those threads. They have any C's on them. So you want to put them on so they're easy to come off. Next time you have to take it off. I'm going to go back over to this side. We want to do the same thing. Make sure that's lined up. Just like that. That's what you're looking for. Hand tighten them first. So what you want to do is make sure they don't move. I'm going to put my wrench on. And then take the Allen key ratchet, put that in there like so. That's to prevent the ball joint from moving. And you just want to tighten it up. And that's enough. You want to be careful not to strip that nut, but that's pretty tight on there. And we're going to go over and do the same thing on the other side. Again, put your wrench on first. Leverage is a little difficult, but once you get it on there, it's good. And you just want to tighten that nut. Alright, that's it. Attach that. And let's just look at our sway bar. Nice and tight. Everything's tight. I want to go back and put a torque wrench on it. But job is now complete. So for new bushings, new sway bar, any C's on the threads, on all the bolts. You can kind of see a little bit. It's in the right position. And we're all set to go. I'll leave a description of the tools, and appreciate you watching. We hope you liked the video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.